Test. Text filling. Fill in the text boxes with text according to the instructions. Gap filling. Fill in the gaps in the sentences with the appropriate words. Mistakes. Mark the wrong words in the text according to the instructions. Let's find out how to use the Test Editor tool. Click here if you want to create an exercise in which missing words have to be typed in the text boxes. You can select from several templates. Enter the instruction. Click here to open the media library, to insert videos, sounds, or images from the gallery, mozaWeb, or the Internet. Search for images on the Internet and drag and drop them into the exercise. Use the blue frame to resize, rotate, and move the image to view the whole image or only part of it. Enter the answer options. Customize the look of the exercise. Click on the objects in the upper left and right corners to change them. Save the exercise. Click here to add a new exercise to the worksheet. Click here if you want to create an exercise in which the gaps in the text have to be filled in with words or phrases selected from a predefined set. Select the template you like. Click here and start typing the text for the exercise. Select words you want to replace with a gap and click on the plus icon. You can even add extra words. Click here to change the template for the exercise. The answer options will not be deleted, so it is easy to continue editing the exercise. Save the exercise. Click on this icon to open Worksheet Settings. Set to check individual exercises. Click here if you want to create an exercise with a text that contains mistakes. Select the template you like. Enter a text. Select the word you want to replace with a wrong word. Then click on the plus icon and enter the wrong word. Click on the I icon if you want to see the text with the wrong words. save the exercise. Click on the arrows to go to the next exercise or the previous one, or click on a number to go to that particular exercise. Click here to enter the name of the worksheet, arrange the order of the exercises, and set how many points an exercise is worth. Click on the bin icon to delete the current exercise from the worksheet if you no longer need it. Click on this icon to go back to editing mode if the exercise you have saved still needs editing. If you do not want to save your changes, click on this icon to restore the previous state. Click on this icon to reset the worksheet to default. Click here to check your results. Insert the worksheet into your exercise book so it can be used later during the lesson or sent to students. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.